It's New York Fashion Week Day 4. We have a show and a photo shoot. Let's do this. Today, I'm also modeling for this earring brand. I'll put the name of the brand right here. My outfit for today.
Hello.
Hola, oh, this damn it.
Je m'appelle Gabriel.
To you again.
Je m'appelle Gabriel. So you gotta walk.
We just wrapped up the photo shoot in the subway and now we're going to the show. Look who's here! Everyone from Florida.